My name is Raina McLean, and I am a member of Team L. My other team members are Ben Kowalski, Addison Camp, and Mason LaValle. Together, we created a game on MATLAB called Dance Dance Revolution, otherwise known as DDR. Varying arrows are displayed in the game, and players must press the corresponding arrow keys under a certain time period to earn points. Players use the number keys 2, 4, 6, and 8 on the keyboard as the down, left, right, and up arrow keys. Every arrow pressed in the time period constitutes as 1 point. Based on the DDR game for the PlayStation, it is a fun twist on the original for all players who seek an adrenaline rush.
Look, I get it. You're sick of having to stand up to play DDR. You're done with it. You don't want to deal with it anymore. So that's why we here at Team L have brought you a new way to play DDR, and that's through your very own copy of MATLAB. See, MATLAB is probably going to be this generation's Steam, judging by the number of video games that we've already seen our peers putting out onto it. So with this in mind, we decided to try to take a new spin on DDR and bring it somewhere else it's never been before. You've seen it in the arcade, and you've seen it in your home. Now, what about on your personal desktop or laptop computer? So as you can see here in this interface, we have a couple of different ways to play. We have a level 1 option, a level 2 option, or a level 3 option. Well, today I'm going to show off our level 1 option. So this option is pretty unique, and it's a pretty fun way to play the game. You can see that level 1 is going to be your easiest, level 2 your medium difficulty, and level 3 your hardest, although we're going to be offering even more difficult ones eventually. So with this in mind, let's hop to it. So we're going to play level 1. So you can see we have the picture pop up and we're all ready to go. Now my job is to enter in the right arrow keys as they're given to me. I'm going to move this figure window over. Right afterwards, you can see the points you got. I got a perfect score because I'm just that quick. So with this in mind, that's how you play MATLAB. It's a really simple and fun game for the whole family.
DDR is a fun, interactive game that you can play and challenge your friends in. Filled with 3 levels of difficulty, you can boast your score and prove that you can keep the beat the best among your friends. When I was in high school, I was a member of the concert band and a part of the percussion section. So it was always a competition to see who was the best. DDR is the perfect way to find out. For just $19.99, you too can join in on this high-intensity action. But wait, there's more. For only $4 a month, you can be a member of the Premium Club, which receives 3 more songs every month. And every 3 months, a new difficulty level will be added that ups the ante among your friends and pushes the boundaries of impossibility. Buy now! If enough are sold, we will release 1 level for free, and a worldwide contest will be held that will test the skills of the modern-day DDR savants with our hardest difficulty ever made. The overall cost of mass-producing this game would be based upon whether or not we release the game digitally or solely on CD. If we were to release it digitally, it would be cheaper to produce since all we need is a domain to upload the game to, where on CD, we would have to pay for the cost of manufacturing and burning the game on CD.
You see here is our MATLAB code. So in this first section, this is like a quick little thing to clear your console and make sure like starting off a fresh set. Then right here it does your intro and all the information that you're going to need to be playing this. After that, it gives you the prompt to select your level, which will take you to one of 3 sections. So we have like the start game, we have the level 1, you can scroll all the way down to the level 2, and then even past that, we go all the way down to level 3. So level 1 being the slowest, we actually took it and we made sure that talk would be running. We used TikTok to define the breaks in between everything. So this is an example from that first section. So I'll just go up to the first input. So you can see here's when the timer starts. And then the timer is red at this point. And then we use a placeholder variable to hold in any information about it. And then it's determined that if the time was less than 3, then you would get the points for that one. Similarly, so it continues through. And for each type of arrow, we have labeled which type it is, whether it's right, up, down, or left. So in the first level, there's only left and right. And then as you get further into it, you can see that we have up arrows and left arrows. There's a right, there's another up. Here's another left. So you can see to make sure that the arrows would flash each time, we also used a white picture in between each section. And then we also have a updater at the beginning of each thing to pull up an image for the level. And so we have that here. These store in your different pictures for your level, which helps the code run faster. And then this reads in your audio. This starts playing your audio at the proper bit rate. Starts it up. This right here prints your first go. And that sets the image. And then you start to play your game.
Investing in this game means not only investing in a future you, but a future connection to the world around you. Dance Dance Revolution has no borders, and this game is available worldwide. Music and dance can reach past the language barrier, allowing people from all corners of the world to enjoy the thrill of Dance Dance Revolution. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to look for Dance Dance Revolution on MATLAB coming soon.